Meet Carol. Carol is a busy woman. She is responsible for ensuring that thousands of Scandinavian households have electricity. All day, every day. It's a big responsibility, but Carol has it covered. Carol's IT department runs a proactive maintenance regime built on Capgemini's enterprise automation fabric. She knows that routine maintenance orders are generated automatically and on time. Carol also knows that these maintenance orders will be processed and assigned through an automated workflow service that will ensure accurate data and prompt delivery to the right crews. But the automation doesn't stop there. The platform proactively tracks and checks for any maintenance orders that might be stuck in an approval queue beyond a specified time. Carol knows that even if one field supervisor is on vacation, orders will be automatically redirected elsewhere for approval and assignment. Engineers in the field will continue to work, and the customer's electricity supply will be uninterrupted. That makes happy customers, and if Carol's customers are happy, her boss is happy. And that makes Carol happy. For more information, visit www.capgemini.com.